Welcome back, guys. So let us continue from where we left off. So this is the pieces we're going to be working with for the down part. Yes, we're going to be working on the shorts in this video. So I weaved all the pieces, all the fabric piece we'll be working with. I weaved all the edges except for the waistline and the hemline. So to start off, we are going to match up right side to right side of our front shorts. Okay, then we're going to sew on the center front, stopping 2 inches away from the inseam. So after doing that, this is what I have. You stop 2 inches away from the inseam like this. Okay, there's a reason to that. We'll see that later. And opening up, that's what I have. So I'm going to set that aside and let's continue. Okay. Now we're going to match up the back to the front. This is the back piece. Okay. Just bring your back, match it up, let it match up on the side seam. Okay, just let it match up on the side seam. You can pin that down if you prefer, but I didn't pin mine. I just place it and match it up on the side seam. All right, we are going to attach our pockets now. We are not sewing yet. Okay, I'm just telling you that you have to align it properly at the side because we want to attach our pockets to the shorts. Okay, so to attach the pocket, of course you need your pocket piece. Okay, and we're going to be coming down ½ inch. That ½ inch will be for our seam allowance. Okay, before we measure, you're going to take note of that ½ inch for your seam allowance before you take your measurement. So make sure you are facing your fabric right side to right side and align at the side seam. So this is my pocket piece. It is about 12 inches by 12 inches like I showed us before. So I weaved it also. So this is what I did. I closed it up. I didn't sew. I just matched it up to be equal. Then I want to measure the area where my pocket will stop. So I marked ½ inch away from the upper, that's the waistline, then came down 7 inches. I came down 7 inches. Okay, came down 7 inches. At that 7 inches mark is where our pocket will be notched. You will notch your pocket to the amount of seam allowance you left for your side seam. So for me, I notched 3/4 inch. That is the amount of seam allowance I'll be using for my side seam. Then you open up this is the back on the front, right? You open it up, match it up to the pocket like this, then pin down. Okay, I'm going to flip now. So the other side also, I will match it up to the front. That was the back we matched it up to, and this is the front we are matching it up to now. So I'm going to stop the pinning at the notch. That point that I notched is where I'll stop my pin. Okay, that's where the pinning will stop. So if you do this properly now, you're going to take this to your sewing machine and sew to the notched point. Don't exceed that notched area. So you're going to do the same thing to the other side. So bring the back piece, match it up properly on the side like so. Match it up properly at the side. Bring the pockets. Okay, I'm repeating the same thing I did at the other side. So close it. Then make sure you measure the amount you want. Then notch. Okay, notch 3/4 inch if that's what you left for your seam allowance for the side seam. Okay, then match up front side facing front side. So the pocket front side is facing the front side of the back right now as I pin, right? Then the front side of the pocket also is facing the front side of my front right now as I match. Then I'll pin down. So after pinning, this is what we will have. Okay, so you're going to go and sew that down. So as I said before, you sew that down and you stop at the notched point. Okay, I'm taking out the pins. So this is one way to make a pocket. You can still apply other ways that you know how to make a pocket. Okay, it can still work for you. Now the next thing you're going to do is to top stitch. Okay, so open up the pocket like so, then take the seam towards where the pocket is and top stitch up to the notch point. Okay, that's where you stopped your sewing before. So I don't know if you can see that thread, but I top stitch towards the pocket. Okay, you top stitch inward towards the pocket. So I'm going to align this properly the way we aligned it before. Okay, so just align properly and make the whole point match up. Now from that notch point, you're going to sew the pocket. You close the pocket. You're going to close the pocket. So I've closed mine, and let's continue. So right here we are matching up again so that we can close the side seam. So you're going to close all the way from the notched point now, not from the waistline. Okay, from the notch point. Yes, you're going to close all the way down to your hemline. You're going to close all the way down to your hemline like so, not from the waistline. Okay, from the notch point, because if you start from the waistline, you're literally closing your pocket, and we want the pocket to stay open, right? So the same thing applies on the other side. So you can still have a curved pocket if you want. Just the way I folded that pocket, now you can have a curved pocket too if you prefer. Then we'll be closing the inseam. As you can see, that 2 inches we left earlier will help us to close the inseam without struggling. So you're going to match up the inseam of the back and the front and close. Okay, so we've done that. We've closed the side seams and the inseams. All right, now we're going to close up the crotch area, that's the center front and the center back. Remember, we left 2 inches earlier, so open up the inseam, open up the seam allowance of the inseam. Then you're going to close it all the way from that 2 inches we left down to the point at the back where the zipper will begin. But in this video, I closed everything. I actually forgot. So I closed everything, but I'll show you guys later where I loosed it open. So you go and do this on your sewing machine, close all the way from that point to the waistline at the center back, or to your zipper point at the center back. So I'm turning out now so that we can see the front side. So this is what we have. Now the pocket is dangling up and down, Abby. Let's put it in place. So to fix it, just align it properly the way it's supposed to be. Then we're going to come to the side seam, okay, the side of the pocket, and pick it up towards the front. Okay, on the waistline, you pick it up towards the front, then align the sides. Yeah, align the sides, then pin down. You can take this to your sewing machine and sew it down if you prefer. So make sure you pick it towards the front. Okay, let the back be left out in this one. So you do the same thing to the other side. So we have our pockets here. We have our pockets sitting all nice. So doing the same thing to the other side, I'll make sure I align the side properly, pick the pocket towards the front, short, then align it properly, make sure it matches up properly on the side seam. Okay, then you're going to pin that down. And like I said before, you can sew it down if you prefer. So this is our short. And to be honest, guys, we can actually make a short using this video, right? And it's sitting up pretty. So in the next video, we're going to talk about how to join the upper part to the lower parts.